Yes, sir. What's good, PB gang? It's PB the GOAT, aka Rope God.
Rope God.
Yeah. And today I'm coming at y'all with a crazy video, bro. When I saw this, I instantly had to do the video, bro. On some real shit. I had to, man. First of all, man, I feel like, bro, these waves are dope as fuck, right? And not only that the waves are dope, bro, I ain't never saw a taper like this, a design like this, period, bro. I can't even say like 360 waves with a design. It doesn't matter, bro. The design, period. He don't have to have waves in this design, would still be fucking lit, bro. Like, honestly. Y'all wouldn't miss out, man. Just keep it locked.
I'm so wavy, yes, I'm so wavy. Wave, so wavy, yes, I'm so wavy. Wave, so wavy, yes, I'm so wavy. Wave, I'm so wavy, yes, I'm so wavy.
Alright, PB gang, so we back, man. Right here, we on IG, alright? King Barber Jordan. This is the barber who actually cut, you feel me, his this client right here, bro. Hair. Okay? King Barber Jordan, bro. Actually, I think I reviewed somebody waves that he cut before. You know what I'm saying? Check his cuts, bro. Like, bro official with the clippies, bro. Hey, I'll fly. Where you at? You know I'm coming, bro. Pause. But you know, I'll fly out there, bro. Nah, but yeah, man, this is clean, man. Look at this ball taper, bro. You know what I'm saying? It's a low ball taper, but the cleanest cut, bro. The cleanest cut. The cut is real clean, bro. You know, he got this thing where if somebody waving, he'll put a boat on top of your head type. That's dope. Like they're like the boat. You know what I'm saying? Swimming and floating on the waves and shit. That's dope. You know what I mean? But anyway, let's get straight to the picture, bro. Let's get straight to the picture. Y'all ready? Y'all ready? Alright, look, check it out. Oh my fucking God! Oh my God! Hey, bro, I had to get out of my seat for that shit. Do you see this shit, man? It's not even the texture, bro. It's not even the texture, bro. I'm talking about the overall cut, period, bro. The waves is lit. First of all, the waves are crazy, bro. But look at the drip. Came through drip, drip, like a mother nigga. Y'all see this, man? I don't know. It may seem like I'm just like I'm just amazed. Every time I see it, it's just like it's my first time seeing it. You know how you see something over and over and you like, oh, I already saw it, it's nothing. When I see this, it's like my reaction be like the first time I saw it before, bro. Every time. It's dope, bro. And he had to tag me. He tagged me in here too because he wanted me to see this shit. Shout out to King Barber Jordan, man. Make sure you guys go follow him, man. He got dumb cuts, bro. He also motivates you, man. And it says that he in Trinidad, bro. So he out there, like all that. I don't know, but that's too far for travel. But the way this looking, I might just fly to China, bro, to get a cut. Also real shit, man. It said anyway, it says game over. It's 2 cruise ships on his head, but those waves are so rough that it flipped one of those ships. Look. It flipped one of the ships. Look. Up into the sky and wait until you see a flare because there are people in need of help. ATM. C6, make this go viral, wavy gang, and he tagged us all in. I hope it go viral, bro. I hope this video go viral. You know what I'm saying? And it help you out to get you more followers, bro. On some real, because this right here, I could talk about this right here, just this angle right here the whole time. But wait, there's more. There's more. All right. So let's see, man. Let's click over. Okay, that's an angle from up top. This is an angle from below, so you can see the taper more. That shit crazy, bro. It make me want to get some shit like this, bro. You know what I'm saying? You know what? It's crazy though. It's because his waves obviously is not to his neck. You feel me? It's not all the way down. The taper you can still see the waves blending in. You feel me? You can still see the waves blending in right there. So it's not like he you know, actually designed through his waves, so he messing up his waves. It's just actually how his taper be, but he actually, you know, did the little, you feel me, dripple or whatever to blend it in with his waves. That shit is hard, bro. Out on everything, this shit is hard, bro. You know what I'm saying? This is two ships right here. Okay, that's a picture, for example, without the lighting. Okay, now this right here is a picture with the lighting, with the flash, I should say, from the phone or whatever he took it on, whatever device he took it on. But yeah, man, hey, this shit's crazy, man. It's crazy. It's crazy. The wave game, crazy. You can't say this wave game is not crazy, bro. On everything, this type of shit that pushed me to move my brush. You know what I'm saying? I need this type of motivation in my life. Because your boy, man, he lose motivation. I'm starting to lose. I was losing motivation for a while, but this made me pick my brush back up and go ham. No, you feel me? Hey, man. Okay, that's the end of the pictures. Yeah, that's it. But you see, it's two boats on his head, bro. They crashed. You see what he said? They crashed, bro. On everything, man. It's crazy. Alright, that's that, man. That's the picture right there that I want y'all to see. Alright. But then wait. There's more. But wait. There's more. That's what this is why you guys should go follow him. Okay, he cut a lot of waivers. He cut a lot of people, obviously, right? You see, he cut, you know, every type of, you know, hair texture or whatever. It don't have to be waves. It could be any type of style. You don't have to be African American either. You could be whatever. He cut all kind of different nationalities. You feel me? Anyways, you know, y'all see those cuts right there. You feel me? Niggas be wavy everywhere though. I like that, bro. I'm loving that people. The wave, the culture. The culture is everywhere. The wave game is everywhere, bro. That's what it's supposed to be like, man. It's crazy. Let me go over. You know what I'm saying? I guess that's where it's at right now, man. It's all about them designs and the taper. Yeah, Corsair waiver. Let's get it. Let's go, baby. Came through drip, nigga. What you talking about? Oh, he got me right here. What I'm talking about? Yeah. But next up, he's definitely elite too. And he just got a haircut. See? He stood in the barber chair. This was actually the video that I did. And, this was his client right here. Real clean, bro. It's real clean, bro. That's dope. He gets a 10. He gets a 10 as well. You know what I'm saying? And yeah, the reason why I give him a 10 is because it look overall just look clean. You feel me? Y'all see how the low taper with the pointy overall clean. It just look clean, bro. Clean. It's low. His hair is obviously shorter, but you can still see the definition. His hair is short, okay? It's hard to have your scalp showing, and you can still see like definition like that. So I feel like this right here is definitely a 10. All right, yeah. And he was excited though. You feel me? That's what he said. This is what he said. I still can't believe this. I still can't believe this. All how I tried to. I still can't believe. Hold up. I still can't believe this. All how I tried to. I still can't believe it. Oh, the person I look up to for my waves, rated 1 of my trim. So he fucking me up with these emojis and shit. Rated 1 of my trim, and it was 10 out of 10. Oh my fucking god! I swear I'm most famous barber in Trinidad. Wavy gang. So obviously he in Trinidad. Yeah. All these emojis and shit be fucking me up. But yeah, man. Hey, no problem, bro. You know what I'm saying? You doing your shit, bro. You doing your shit. You in Trinidad, bro. You doing your shit. Keep doing your shit, bro. Okay, this is another one. Straight hair waver. He obviously cut his hair too. You know, prime example of, I told you guys, the more straighter your hair is, the more bigger your wave's going to be. You know, I don't want nobody to get discouraged on having straight hair. It's harder when your hair is straighter, yes, to get waves, but when they come, they're in. You know what I'm saying? You're in, and it's not going to be hard to get after that because you're only going to have about 3 or 4 waves. So this right here should motivate my straight hair wavers to keep brushing, and you're gonna get there, and just wait and woof. And don't get short haircuts because you're gonna cut below your hair length, your curl length, and then you're gonna cut your waves out. Your hair gotta be long, you know, if you're a straight hair waver. You feel me? So let's check out a couple of the cuts. Y'all see that one? Real nice. Y'all see it? Yes sir, see? You know what I'm saying? I think that's dope when you are a waver and you actually cutting other wavers, because you know how you can kind of get an idea of how he will want his hair to be, because you want your hair like that because you're a waver. You know, but don't get me wrong, there's a lot of people that's not even wavers that know how to cut wavers' hair, but it's just better to get your hair cut by another waver. Real talk, real talk, real talk. Okay, so that's that. See, y'all see his work, man. Like I said, everybody getting the designs and their tapers, bro. That's where it's that's obviously where it's at. But yeah, that's that picture right there that I had rated a 10, bro. Like, it's drippy, baby. It's drippy, baby. You know what I'm talking about? Actually, my next haircut, I'm thinking about getting a shortcut like this, bro. Cause I want to start from like the bottom again, man. I gotta do that. You know, that's the only way my shit gonna start moving more. You know, like, cause y'all know I got more forks now and shit. Like, I'm trying to get my texture back healthy and my hair texture and all that healthier. So I'm gonna have to cut short. So my next haircut, y'all stay tuned for that. Y'all know I'm gonna film me. I'm just giving y'all a heads up. It's gonna be short. Y'all know we still woofing. We still doing that woofing challenge and all that shit. But when I do cut, it will be shorter than I normally have it. Not probably not this short, but it's gonna be shorter than I normally, you know, have it. All right. Anyway, so y'all see, man, it's crazy, man. Look, it's the wave culture, bro. It's the wave game, bro. They doing it in Trinidad like that, bro. Like, come on, man. They doing it in Trinidad like that, my nigga. That's way over there. You feel me? That's way over there. You know what I'm saying? And they doing it like that. I know a lot of these niggas know who I am too. You know what I'm saying? I know it. I just know. I just know. You know? Yes, sir. That's him right there, huh? Oh yeah, he went 720s. Okay. This was his 360s when he had 360s. Yeah, man. See. Hell yeah, man. So that's it, man. That's it, bro. But like I said, I mean, you guys can go over there right now. Go follow King Barber Jordan. He cuts a lot of wavers hair, as y'all can see. If you don't get motivation from his haircuts, then I don't know. I don't know what to tell you, bro. I feel like bro motivate me. Like, I had to follow him. You feel me? And I told him, I let him know also I was about to do this video because he deserved more recognition. His cuts is dope, and I just overall feel like the nigga doing this shit, man. Keep doing your shit, bro. But with that being said, man, your boy PB is out of here. And if you're great, they gon' hate. Yeah. Cut the camera, nigga.